You know, this is a really good question. I'm glad you asked it. This user asks, how do we know what shell, in this example bash, are we in? E.g., if I run bash command 5 times, I'll be in the 5th subshell. How to be back to the main shell? Because, you know, if you exit, you'll just return or whatever. This is really cool. I can't speak for other shells, but I know bash has a variable that you can check specifically for this called shell level. I'll show you. Here you go. As you can see, SHLVL, it is a variable that will just simply be a number. So when you first start your shell, if you were to print what's in that variable, it would be 1. If you were to run bash and then print that variable, it would be 2. If you were to run bash again, it would be 3. The way that works is it's just an environmental variable, meaning any child process you create with this will have this variable set. Now this is important because it doesn't necessarily have to be bash. You could fork like a different shell. You could even fork some external program, and that program, if it looks in the environment, will probably find the shell level variable. Not guaranteed to be there, but again, it's just a number and it will just get incremented. So this is like best effort type of thing though, because if I had some sort of program or I had a bash RC that just modified this variable to be 5,000, when you fork bash, it will become 5001. There's no other way to really know. So this is your best effort way of knowing. If you want another way of doing this, you would need to ask your operating system, because a process can't know like what's above it. So you'd have to actually ask the process to look for, you know, the parent PID and then walk your way up the tree. Maybe use like PS tree or P tree or something like that. But yeah, this variable, super cool. Check it out. It gets passed through your environment. So yeah, this will answer your question.